Guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install NVM in Windows 11 operating system. To download the software in Google search box right there, NVM for Windows. Then go on this GitHub site. And here you can see this page. Scroll down. Then you can get this download now. Click on this download now button. There you can see this versions are available. Scroll down. Then you can get this here zip file, exe file. So exe file that's going to download. So this here, this is now exe file that's currently downloading. This done. Simply you need to click on this exe file. Click on yes button. And if I go on this command prompt, so here if I write there node -v, so node version 24 already installed there. Now let's click on this accept next, and this is the location of installation, and here this is active version location. So node to release this all. This is optional. Now click on install. So node is already is there. So that do you want to control? Let's click on yes. Now here let's uncheck and click on this finish. Opening the command prompt. So they are writing NVM -v. So 1.22 version that is in there, and node -v, you can see this is 24. Now by using this command nvm list available, so here you can see this list are there, order this. Now there I'm going to install there 25%. So for this one, let's use the nvm install. Then you can try 25. So downloading the Node.js version 25. So Node version is now 25, is now downloading. Okay. So this here. So currently downloading and extracting Node and npm. So Node version 25 is now. This is the latest version. Currently this is installing. So here you can see all this installation that's come. Node version 25 that install nvm use. Now let's check the nvm current. So this is current, and now let's use the nvm use 25. So here you need to click on this yes button. Now using this here node version 25. Now if I press nvm current, so here you can see this is now 25 currently I'm using. Okay, And if you want to check the NVM version, so NVM minus V. So minus V, this is the NVM version, and node version 25 is in there. Okay, so this is how we can install this NVM on Windows 11 operating systems. And with the help of NVM, we can install their node version. Sorry, Node.js. Okay, so 25 was there, 24 was there, and after using this npm install 25, you can see this is the latest version of Node install. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.